growing up in coastal communities, you can see naturally occurring phenomena of water resources all around you. In the mornings, you'll often wake up to heavy fog and water droplets collected on the surfaces of cars and plants. A question we need to be asking ourselves is, why can't we sustainably source our water supply the same way that nature does? Looking deeper into how nature handles water supplies, we found systems such as the orb weaver spider web and the natural form of leaves, which both collect and distribute water from their natural environments to sustain the system around them efficiently. The orb weaver spider produces a web that has a specific structure of thin connecting segments which collect water from the air that passes through it. As the water condenses on the thinner portions, it flows down to larger intersecting regions. These intersecting portions act as accumulation zones, allowing the thin members to collect additional water for the system. Once the water accumulates enough, we need to find a way to distribute water to the system. For this, we looked at how rainfall and condensation flow over the surface of leaves to feed the system below. We aren't trying to invent anything. Nature already does a miraculous job at efficiently handling the tasks of water collection and distribution, but we often overlook these systems on the human scale. With the Aether project, our objective is to reframe and repurpose these natural systems to suit our needs within communities. Our design takes the structure of the spiderweb and translates it into a 2 square meter collection canopy with a curved form that mimics the flow of water over the surface of leaves. As the thin segments of the mesh help condense water from the air passing through it, the water gathers at the intersections before flowing toward the base of the mesh and redirected into the center reservoir. The overall system is brought into the human perspective by creating a planter system that enhances the spaces we occupy daily. Aether is designed to be built into highly trafficked community spaces where it can draw interest and promote engagement toward sustainable living and resource use. The built-in reservoir and sprayer system allow every community member to witness the biologically inspired systems at work, and be a part of growing a sustainable source of food and atmosphere. Aether will help to bring life to community areas and enable the accessible introduction to sustainable practices.